welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Severe weather, tornadoes target Nebraska, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas and Texas. Dangerous storms erupted across central US on Monday, bringing several tornadoes, damaging hail and the potential for flash flooding to a region already battered by days of deadly severe weather. Residents across parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas and Texas endured yet another round of destructive conditions as storms swept through. In addition to a potentially strong and long-track tornadoes, the powerful systems produced wind gusts of over 70 miles per hour and baseball-sized hail. Initial photos of damage from parts of Oklahoma showed power poles snapped, trees uprooted and homes shredded into splinters of wood and drywall. Power outages and flight delays also mounted into storm's path. Severe weather is expected to continue overnight Monday and through Tuesday, in some cases striking areas that are still reeling from weekend storms. Parts of plains have been drenched by the rounds of severe thunderstorms today. From 4 to 7 inches of rain have already fallen in southwest Kansas and southwest Missouri. With more rain tonight, expect flash flooding to become an increasing threat in one of the nation's most frequent flash flood zones, the Ozarks. Photos posted to social media show poles snapped and trees uprooted after a storm swept through Fort Gibson. The damage may have been caused by strong winds or a potential tornado. Radar is picking up the lofted debris of a tornado crossing into northwest Arkansas, Washington County, near the town of Lincoln, Arkansas. Forecasters warned of another bout of severe storms headed for the central US this week, days after extreme weather, including tornadoes, killed at least 29 people in some of the same regions. The National Weather Service said a multitude of hazardous weather would impact the US over the next several days, from thunderstorms and potentially baseball-sized hails on the plains to heavy mountain snow in the west and dangerous heat in the south. Areas at risk of thunderstorms include communities in Kentucky and Missouri that were hit by Friday's tornadoes. In addition to heavy rainfall, forecasters also said potentially strong to intense tornadoes with large hail and destructive winds could materialize with the storms. A flood watch is issued when the weather services identifies conditions favorable for flooding, but it does not necessarily mean flooding is imminent. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.